and with every age, the past you becomes a memory. I love people in my life. I'll start crying. Literally, I'll start crying right now. If that makes you feel calm inside, if that makes you feel peaceful, then that's okay. Hi guys. It's been so long since I last posted a video. By the way, I'm in Missouri and I'm in the hotel room right now because kal mera birthday hai. It's 29 January, by the way, and I'm on a birthday trip. I feel very overwhelmed, but like not really in a bad way. I just have so many emotions right now, and I cannot explain them. And I'm not necessarily sad, but there's definitely a bit of sadness there. And I'm the first one turning 20 in my friend group, so it's literally very woe for like very woe feeling ki, oh my god, I'll be the oldest in my friend group. But anyway, I don't really feel sad about it. As I said, there's some a bit of sadness, but like not really sad because, as I said, I feel like aging is one of the most beautiful things in life. Because what do you mean? Like you're living and like you're growing. Like the concept of aging, like with every age, you're a different person, and with every age, the past you becomes a memory. Oh my god. Also, why this the digicam was actually a gift to me from my mama. मैंने मेरे को digicam gift किया, and I'll actually not be able to meet my best friend and the rest of my family. Like मैं मसूरी अपनी मम्मा पापा और भाई के साथ आई हुई हूँ, and like the rest of my family बाकी सब are in Delhi ही. So I'll not be able to meet them on my birthday this year, and I guess it's like the first birthday ever जो मैंने अपनी पूरी family के साथ नहीं बिताया, like literally. So that it's थोड़ा different. Like this birthday is kind of different. Also this is the first birthday जिसमें मैं दिल्ली में नहीं हूँ. बट लाइक स्टिल मेरी दादी दादू ने जब मैं निकल रही थी घर से मसूरी के लिए, मेरी दादी दादू ने मेरे को गिफ्ट दिया, लाइक व्हाटएवर, लाइक दे हैड a gift for me and they gave it to me and it was very sweet. That was, I love people in my life. I'll start crying. Literally, I'll start crying right now. I got so emotional बोलते बोलते. लाइक मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का सुबह मेरे को मैसेज आया था, लाइक शी वाज विशिंग मी ऐसा हैप्पी ईव एंड ऑल करके, एंड शी सेड कि लाइक 12 बजे से थोड़ा टाइम पहले तू ऐसा बिल्कुल अपना फ़ोन खोल के बैठ जाइयो, आई हैव अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू, एंड वाज लाइक भाई ऐसा क्या सरप्राइज है एंड ऑल. सो these things makes me feel very special, makes me feel very happy and like very content to like have such people in my life. Bhai, what the hell is wrong with me? Oh, bhai, and even though like I'm not with my best friend, मैं बार-बार बेस्ट फ्रेंड बोल रही हूँ, सो लेट मी टेल यू आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट गुनिका, शी इज़ माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. मैंने उससे उसके साथ पहले भी वीडियोज़ बनाई हुई है, सो इफ यू डोंट नो हर गो एंड वॉच दोज़ वीडियोज़, लाइक व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, गो. एनीवे, सो लाइक आई एम नॉट एबल टू सेलिब्रेट मेरा ये वाला बर्थडे विद गुनिका. शी स्टिल like have things to like make me feel special, and that actually does make me feel special because that's so sweet of her. That's also, I love sweet people, I love kind people. I cannot express my love for them because it's it's so sweet that your heart is so big that you're able to think about, bhai, why am I talking, bhai, I'm actually very overwhelmed right now. As I said, I'm very overwhelmed. So that's what I was saying. I love the concept of gifts, and not just materialistic gifts, like gift in any aspect. If I want to like give it a name, I would say silent gifts, because like it's not really there, but it's there, and it's so special. It's so special because they make you feel so loved. And I to be honest don't really care अगर कोई मेरे को ऐसा physical gift, like ऐसा materialistic gift दे भी या नहीं. But if a person like is doing something for me, like in a gesture type of way, like if they're uh, writing me a paragraph, or like if they're writing me a letter, and like if they're giving me something that they made themselves, like with their hands. So these type of things are like very special for me because they make me feel very as if I matter. It makes me feel very special. It makes me feel very seen, because it's like, oh my god, you took time out of your day to like make that for me, to like write that for me, to like make me feel happy, make me feel special. एंड मेरे को अब तक बचपन से तक मुझे जितने भी ऐसे गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं वो मैंने लिटरली ऐसे अपनी अलमारी में संभाल के रखे हुए। आई हैव दिस बॉक्स, आई कॉल इट अ मेमोरी बॉक्स, जिसमें अब तक मेरे को बचपन से जितनी भी ऐसी नॉन मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें मिली है, एवरीथिंग इज इन इट। आई हैड लाइक सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम लाइक क्लास फर्स्ट टू क्लास एट्थ, लाइक इस in like I would say elementary school and middle school. In classes mein, I had so many friends, but like in high school my friend group kind of fell apart. Yeah, so by in third class I literally remember exactly that's how these gifts, that's how much these gifts matter to me. Exactly remember, in third class I had like so many friends, and like so many of them made me as a card. कुछ कुछ लोगों ने they used colored sheet, कुछ कुछ लोगों ने ऐसे कॉपी में से पेपर फाड़ के they folded it in half and they wrote ऐसा चीज़ें मेरे बारे में कि what they think about me. And like one of my friends, like उस time पे, now I don't know where she is and like I have no idea क्या कर रही है वो. I remember this card because it was so cute. उसमें she wrote अपना नाम, like suppose X is her name. She wrote things X likes about Samira. As I said, bhai, I love ऐसे gifts. So when, like, even though I'm no longer in contact with any of the people, like most of the people जिनके दिए हुए gifts है उस box में, what I do like ऐसा subconsciously in my mind is कि the people they were when they gave me that gift, I disconnect that person from the person they become when our friendship ended. It's like in my head there are two different people. Like even though that's the same person जिसने मुझे वो gift दिया, but like in my head it's like no, that's not the person who I like adored. That's not the person who like I had such a special friendship with. That's the person who I'm no longer friends with. And I think that's completely okay. If that makes you feel calm inside, if that makes you feel peaceful, then that's okay. You can disconnect your memories from the person, you can disconnect the gifts from the person. Because even though that person might not be in your life anymore, but they once were. And those times were so special. And I would never want to forget those times because I was so happy in those times. So why would I want to do that? Why would I want to forget the happy me? Everything circles and like comes back to how I feel, because that is the point of life. It's my life, and the only thing that should matter to me is how I feel. So like when I talk about the gifts, the memories, I'm talking about the person who I like loved, who I was friends with, who I spent so many good times with. And then when I'm talking about a person that I'm no longer friends with, in my mind both of them are different people. That's what I have in my mind ki yes, if they acted like two different people, then consider them as different people. So that's why I think ki aisa non materialistic gifts and aisa silent gifts are so special, because you can adore them. Because like if you're gifting someone clothes, वो कपड़े तुम 2-4 साल पहनोगे and then you'll throw them away. You're gifting someone chocolate, you're gifting someone flowers. Even though I love all of those things, I love gifts. By who doesn't love gifts? I love gifts. I love clothes, literally. But what I'm saying is, like emotion, like I connect as a my emotions with the non-materialistic gifts. That's what I'm saying. So when you give someone chocolates or flowers, they're willed. They were willed. I will eat the chocolate, and like basically, it will no longer exist after a time. But that's not the same with the silent gifts. That's why I love them so much, because they're special. They make me feel special. They make me feel as if like the person who's giving it to me has like took out their time to like make that for me. And like in that moment they were thinking, oh my god, if I do this, this will make Samara feel special. So that's so, I literally cannot explain the emotion. It's so sweet to me. Yeah. Anyway, I'm turning 20 kal in like a few hours. But I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for everything, for every single person in my life, for people I ask for advice from, for the people who like compliments me whenever they get the chance, for the people who has ever made me feel seen, or like made me feel special in any way. I'm grateful for my friends, my family, myself, for everything, like literally for everything, for life. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know what else to say. This was a very heartfelt video. I like talking. I like talking so much. I can talk for hours, but like मेरे phone की storage खत्म हो गई है. So अगर किसी को मुझसे बात करनी है, so please come talk to me. I can talk for hours. Yeah, I liked making this video because it made me feel. I was feeling very heavy बहुत सारे महीनों से. मेरी फ्रेंड है एक वंशिका. शी इज टर्निंग 20 एज वेल इन अ वीक, लाइक फेब्रुअरी में ही. सो मैं उससे ही ये बातें कर रही थी कि लाइक इतने टाइम से कि ओ माय गॉड वी आर अबाउट टू टर्न 20. वाओ भाई, दिस फीलिंग इज सो अनरियल, इट्स सो वो. सो या, आई वाज फीलिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड लाइक आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हर एंड लाइक बहुत सारे महीनों से आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड and like very heavy. But I guess now that I've talked everything out and like put it in a video, and now I'm going to put this video out. Probably going to put this video out by next week. I don't think so मैं इस week तक edit कर पाऊंगी वीडियो and post कर पाऊंगी. Hopefully I'll definitely try to post this video because बहुत बार ये होता है कि मैं वीडियो बना लेती हूँ but मैं post नहीं कर पाती क्योंकि मैं edit नहीं कर पाती, क्योंकि मैं anyway. Yeah, so I think that's it. I hope you liked watching me talk. Hi, I would love to have a podcast. I would love to be invited on a podcast. अगर like किसी का podcast है तो please मुझे invite करो. Please, या को please कोई podcast बना लो और please मेरे को उसमें as a guest invite करना. Why, what's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Yeah, I think that's it. Also, like, thank you so much in advance, not in advance क्योंकि ये वीडियो मैं अपने बर्थडे के बाद डालूंगी. So thank you so much to everyone who wished me a happy birthday मेरे बर्थडे पे. Thank you so much, even though मैं तुम्हें already thank you बोल चुकी होंगी, but this is a ऐसा kind of video to face thank you. So okay, thank you, bye.